Alright y'all, so I gotta put the window back in the JKU hardtop. So what happened was, in the hardtop back here for the JKU, we had it off because we were running the soft top all summer, the best top snapback. And now that it's getting a little colder, we want to put the hardtop back on. Problem is, about 3 or 4 months ago, had it sitting out back, cutting grass, lawnmower, throws a rock through the side window. The good thing is, it's tempered glass, so we don't have to worry about glass all over the place. The bad thing is, gotta replace the window. So I went and bought one from actual Jeep, because the one down here in San Antonio I found I can get all the parts I need. I just go online, look them all up, and give them the part numbers, and they find what I need. And they are so efficient over there that they will look at other dealerships and order your stuff from other dealerships if you really need it. So shout out to Ingram Park Jeep. So let me show you what I got. There's the window busted out. As you can see, it's all tempered glass. So I got to get all of this off, and then I'll take the window that I bought, which is in that, and well, hold on, let me let you look at it. There's a replacement window. And I'll take that and test fit it over there to see how it fits, and get the okay. And then I'll take that, clean it up in there and test fit it to see how it fits, and go from there. Now, just so you know, this does require special sealant. You can get it from O'Reilly's. They got the windshield repair that comes with all the stuff. But what I did was, I went to the Safe Light here in San Antonio, and also just in this one right around the corner from Ingram Park Jeep. They were very helpful, and they gave me the info what I needed to get my own, so I can use some commercial grade sealant and it'd be just like what they were doing. So we're gonna get it in right. We wanna make sure it stays and don't come off until we sling another rock to it. So let's get to it. All right, so this is the first time I've ever had to put a side window in a JKU, well, a side window in any hardtop. I mean, I used to own 3 Broncos in the past, but I never had to replace the side window. I replaced the back gate once, but never the side window. So this is new to me. So I'm learning as I do it. You do it yourself anyway, so you know how I do. So the first thing I gotta do is get all of this off. And there's a rubber behind this. Now, I'm not quite sure whether that rubber was supposed to come off, or just I had to find a way to peel the glass off of it. But I've already just started taking the rubber off, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. Pretty thick rubber, and I almost assume that the silicone that goes behind the glass is just like having the rubber. That's pretty wide right there, and the rubber that's behind the glass is pretty thick. We'll see in a minute. And if I just so happen to make a mistake and took the rubber off, then well, guess that's something else I gotta order, so we'll see. Good thing I'm wearing glasses, I get popped in the eye. Whew, got me sweating, y'all. Man. Now, let me preface this right now. I did research this. I went on YouTube, checked out videos, and looked all over the Google or whatever. And really all I can find was shops that will do it for me. And if I decide to go that route, then cool. But I'm a do-it-yourselfer because I like to do things myself, not just to save money, but I like to learn. So here I am. And if I get in the bind, then that's what I have to do. But I'm gonna take a stab at it first. And I didn't see any videos, so I figured I'm making this trip by myself. And I got the like I said, the sealant that I'm supposed to have. We just gonna see what happens. Oh yeah, look, check it out. Y'all make sure y'all click like and subscribe to my videos and stuff like that, because I started this channel out like a side thing to show my friends and stuff, my off-road and wheeling videos and stuff like that, but it turns out that people want to see stuff. So now whenever I'm doing something to one of the Jeeps, working on something, or going out wheeling or whatever, off-roading, it's a lot of work involved in me videoing just because I'm by myself, but hey, I like bringing this stuff to y'all. So y'all click like and click subscribe and make sure you tell somebody about the channel. Appreciate that.
How you doing?
Now I'm just leaning up here now, so I'm gonna hold it. But what I want to show you is, here's one cool thing about putting these side windows in. They made it easy for the installer. What they did was, they give you these little clips. What they do is, clip on the bottom of the window. I broke one of them, which is this one, so I gotta hold it. But what they do is, so you don't have to figure out what the spacing is, you put it in there, bring it all the way out to the edge. It's got the correct spacing up top and bottom. I mean, on the ends you can kind of move it back and forth, but on top and bottom, really where you're worried about. It's got the correct spacing, and look at it. I'm getting my job at Safe Light, y'all. Safe Light Repair, Safe Right. That's not how it goes. Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace. So, let's get the glue on this thing and get it in. All right, y'all, so check it out. I'm up here at, where we at? East End Glass. And so here's the deal. There's a lot of cars going by, so you know there's a lot of noise, so apologize for that, but here's the deal. If you notice, there's a piece of wood in there. So what happened was, I took the old window out, and I started cutting off all the sealant and everything. And once I did that, I had the urethane for a windshield that I could use to put this in, seal it up perfect and everything. But the problem is, you gotta have primer on it, and there's a lot of other steps to take. And I said, you know what, this is probably not a job I should attempt for the first time, especially on this. Hey man, them dogs going to town over there. So this is, like I said, y'all, this is probably not a job that I should attempt on my first time. Probably need to have a donor vehicle or something I can experiment on. So I brought it up here to East End Glass. I brought the side glass that I got from Jeep, and I'm gonna let them put it on. Now some of y'all may be experienced out there in putting your own windows in. All right, but for 50 bucks, I already got the window. I'm gonna pay them the 50 bucks to put it in and call it a day and learn something from these guys, and maybe the next time I can put mine in. But sometimes that's how it goes. I like to do my own work, but sometimes you gotta bite the bullet and let somebody teach you. So I'm gonna let these folks up here at East End Glass put the quarter window in the JK, and we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, so check y'all later. One thing, y'all, as y'all can see, I was pretty innovative with putting that wood in there, though. Check it out. Took the piece of glass that I bought from Jeep, maybe a template, put that bad boy in there. Look at that. Put them pieces of wood in there to hold it in there. Hey, look. Look, I got it right, y'all. Check it out. So there's a reason that I didn't do this on my own. Now, this guy here, he's gonna put this window in. See, I'm telling y'all, I thought I was gonna do this myself, ordered the urethane off of Amazon, but that didn't quite work out the way I planned. And Then once I got the urethane, I realized there was a special gun you had to use for this thing. And I said, where can I get one of these things? Thought I could go to Home Depot. Nah, that didn't work out right. You can always get the little cheap windshield stuff from O'Reilly's and stuff like that, but nah, the real stuff uses a special gun. And it's expensive, right? And there's a reason why. And he was just telling me about the foot pounds and stuff like that. What did you just say?
The foot pounds are marked because the glue will dry approximately an hour after I put it on. And you can drive off with the vehicle. Other stuff that you don't use after your regular closing gun, the vehicle has to sit for 8 to 12 hours. And they're telling her, if you see a car with tape on it, they put that on because they don't want the windshield to move while the glue is drying.
Right.
I don't have that. When that leaves, it ain't going anywhere.
See? That's why they get paid the big bucks. How much does one of those guns cost?
I think it's $430 now. My cost.
Okay, y'all heard that right? 430 bucks. That's why they get paid the big bucks to put these windshields in, to put these quarter windows, whatever in. That's why they get paid the money, y'all, because they got the equipment to do it. I didn't, thought I did, but I didn't. So, hey, sometimes you gotta bite the bullet and let the experts do it. And something else you were telling me earlier about, the Jeep windows. How many y'all done in the past?
Well, I think from January till September, maybe 3, but since then I've probably done 6. That's why I said I need to check my prices. Am I too low?
And I was telling y'all about that Gorilla Glass in Jeeps.
It ain't worth it.
See, I told y'all they're gonna get cracked just as much. You pay the extra money. If your insurance is paying for it, it's cool. But you pay the extra money, you're in a Jeep. It's gonna get hit and cracked anyway. See, this guy doesn't. So, well, I'm gonna let this guy get to work. Let him do what he's got to do.
Four-wheel drive Tahoe.
Oh, see, he's rubbing in, y'all, that he ain't got a Jeep. Y'all hear that? Well, I'm gonna let him get to work because he's got things to do. He's a busy man. I'm gonna let him get to work. Come back and pick my Jeep up in a couple hours. Window replaced and good to go.
You can pick it up around 11:30.
Maybe sooner.
Yeah,
that works. All right, y'all.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So they took care of my glass on my Jeep. I wanted to tackle that myself, so I brought it down here. If you call up here and call 210-333-2210, Sylvia will probably answer the phone. She'll take care of you. Noise in the background, I apologize, but she'll take care of you. I called her, told her my situation. She did what she could to fit me in. She got me in, they got it taken care of, and now I'm out of here. So y'all want to get your stuff done, they do auto, commercial, and residential.
Just about everything.
Everything, East End Glass. They'll take care of you. And, well, she tried to give me a heart attack. Tried to charge me $255 too, so.
I was just teasing.
And I think they gave me a military discount too.
Yes, we did.
Military discount. Can't give much better service than that. So
That's right.
there you go. So next time y'all in town, not even in town, you need your glass taken care of, auto, home, whatever, give them a call and see what they can do for you. East End Glass.
Thank you.
That's it, y'all. Looking like brand new again. Brought it up here to East End Glass. The installer back there on all those race took care of it. We ready to go again. Got that wood out. We ready to move. We'll see y'all on the flip side. Peace out. All right, y'all. So I'm back at the house, aka my shop. And so, before I get busy doing some other stuff I gotta take care of, I just want to one more time give a shout out to East End Glass off of Rigsby in San Antonio. You know what I'm saying? They took care of me, took care of a window. They fit me in on short notice, and they gave me military discount. Hey, you can't top that. But also another thing is, I want to give a shout out to Ingham Park Chrysler Jeep in San Antonio. They got me the window that I needed in 24 hours, and every time I go over there to get a part, they ain't got no problem getting it. They get it within a couple days if they can't get it next day or if they don't have it in stock. So I want to give a shout out to Fidel over there, because every time I need something, I'm telling you, I call my man up, tell him what part number I got. He tell me if he got it, when he can get it, and I ain't had a problem yet getting stuff out of them. So that's another shout out to Ingham Park Chrysler Jeep in San Antonio. So that's it for me for the day. Got the JK taken care of. I got other stuff to do, y'all. Y'all stay safe. Don't forget to smile and go change your life. Peace out, y'all.